Hi everyone, my name is Rodrigo Tubert. I'm bar manager here at Orilla Bar and Grill, originally from Argentina, but today we're gonna do an amazing cocktail with Basbas herbal liqueur that you're gonna love. Here at Orilla, we are an Argentinian-inspired restaurant and bar, and I think this cocktail is gonna fit right in. Okay, let's go to the cocktail. This cocktail is called Valpaguez. It's inspired on the traditional dance in Ibiza, where Basbas is from. Let's start with the drink. What I have here is an amazing highball glass. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna garnish the glass first. I have a brush with some agave in it, and I'm gonna paint a little triangle, reminding us of the amazing features like Atalaya in Ibiza. And I'm gonna sprinkle some eucalyptus ash. To make it is super simple. You take the eucalyptus branches, you dry them out, and then you burn it in a really hot oven until they are really black. You're gonna make it into a super thin powder, and you add 20% of kosher salt to it. Now that we have the glass, let's go for the drink. We're gonna start putting 1 ounce of amazing Basbas. These herbal liqueur traditionally in Ibiza are made by families, so this brand tries to give homage of this amazing tradition. Again, 1 ounce of Basbas. And I chose some Mediterranean-inspired ingredients to go along with it that are gonna be amazing. Let's put half an ounce of gin. And 1/4 of an ounce of a bitter that is clear, that is gonna bring amazing herbal flavors from Basbas. We mix that really well together. And we're gonna pour it in our glass. As I told you, this is a twist on a classic highball. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a big chunk of ice. And we're gonna finish it with a soda, but not just any soda. I made a mango soda that I'm gonna give you the recipe at the end of the video that I think is gonna make this cocktail amazing. Let's top it up. Incorporate all the ingredients. And there you go, Valpaguez. Please enjoy. Okay, let's do the mango soda, okay? What I have here is amazing ripe mango. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna weigh 450 grams of this amazing mango. The idea is that we're gonna extract all the beautiful flavors of it, but we're still gonna keep it nice and refreshing and sexy. Perfect. Now, let's muddle it so we extract all of its juices. I don't want to use any other technique to extract any juice because I need the pulp to still be intact. Now we're gonna add some glucoamylase. Glucoamylase, it's an enzyme that breaks down starch and turns it into fermentable sugars. So this is gonna help the process of fermentation. This product is used by brewers or by people that are gonna make spirits, and we're gonna use it with in really small quantities because it's super powerful. Let's add per 450 grams of mango, 4 grams of this amazing glucoamylase. And we're gonna add one more ingredient. This is called pectinex. This is pectin, okay, the enzyme that breaks down pectin. This is gonna help us, our final product, to be a little bit more clear, not that cloudy, to break down all the pectin that is already inside of the fruit, okay? We're gonna put 46 drops of this. Now we're gonna mix it all together. You can do this process with other fruits or vegetables that have a high content of starch, like for example, bananas, okay? We're gonna mix it really well, and we're gonna ferment it. We're gonna let it ferment for 48 hours. If you have any special apparatus for fermenting, that's perfect. If not, you can just put it in a jar with an amazing cheesecloth on top, and let it ferment for 48 hours in a place that is not too hot, not too cold. After 48 hours, we're gonna strain this amazing liquid, and we're gonna get something like this. Now, this is gonna be more of a sour mango water, okay? What we're gonna do is we're gonna brix it. What I mean by brixing is we're gonna adjust the amount of sugar and acid that are inside of this solution. How are we gonna do that? We're gonna use tools like a refractometer. Refractometers measure bricks. Bricks are the thickness of a liquid that is mostly, or for this case, related to the amount of sugar that's inside of it. We're gonna mix it to 10. That means that we're gonna take it to 10 bricks. This one, it's a little bit sour, so we're gonna add sugar until, like a simple syrup, until we get a measure of 10 bricks. If yours is a little bit sweeter than that, or has bricks higher than that, you can add citric acid, malic, ascorbic, as you please, to bring down the sweetness to something like that. After that, super simple, we're gonna take a bottle for a soda maker. We're gonna pass this juice inside, and we're gonna carbonate it. You can use a machine like this that is